TEF's YouTube channel. Today let's take a look at two words most of the English language learners get confused with. Do you ever mix up getaway and gateway? Let me clear that up for you. A getaway is a short vacation or an escape. Think of it as a quick trip to the beach or a weekend in the mountains. A gateway is an entrance or a means to access something. For example, you can say internet can be a gateway to knowledge. Another example, a library is a gateway to learning. So remember, getaway is a vacation or an escape, and gateway is an entrance. Alright, that's the end of today's mini lesson. Hit like and subscribe because I'll see you soon with another lesson.